footsteps in the sand tonight, moving softly in the fading light. The ocean hums a mellow tune, guided by the silver moon. Your smile warms the cool night air, a tender love beyond compare. I breathe you in with every sigh, like a quiet wind passing by. And in this calm I feel it true, my rock steady heart belongs to you. A steady heartbeat saying much. We walk the shoreline slow and free, your laughter like a melody. The upstroke guitar in the quiet air reminds me how much you care. And oh, the peace you bring to me, like waves that kiss the endless sea. In every breath and every tone, you make my weary heart a home. Life may turn with rising tide, but I'll stay always by your side. For in this love I find my way through every night and every day. Ooh, hold me in this gentle sway, let the rock steady drift away. Keep me warm in your embrace, let the moonlight paint your face. Feel the rhythm in our soul, tender love that makes us whole. Let the moment linger long, wrapped in our sweet, steady song. The stars above begin to shine like blessings in a perfect line. Your voice is soft and soothing guide, a peaceful river deep inside. The night grows warm beneath your touch, a comfort that I need so much. You teach me how to breathe again, to let go of the fear and pain. And if tomorrow's storms may rise, I'll look to you and see the skies clearing bright in love's embrace. A sunrise blooming in your face, we'll dance through seasons slow and true to this rock steady made for two. Forever held, forever known, in your arms I'm truly home. You are the breeze in my rock steady night, floating soft in the pale moonlight. Hold me close and keep me right, with your warm love shining bright. Rock steady night. together where the cool winds blow. The old street lights begin to glow. The rhythm soft, a gentle flow, and every heartbeat matches the groove. Every step we take is a perfect move. Warm over every part of me. The world was quiet, soft and kind. Peace and comfort in your mind. Every moment felt brand new, wrapped in the warmth of loving you. Storms appear, your voice is the calm that I hold dear. Rock steady beats beneath our feet, turning every sorrow into something sweet. And when the night feels far too long, your love becomes my healing song. You lift me up and pull me through. There's nothing I can't face with you. Every memory written in your smile, worth every mile. Let tomorrow come at any speed, as long as your love is all I need. In the rock steady breeze I feel you near, soft like a whisper only my heart can hear. Hold me close in this moment. The night breeze whisper low through the streets where the cool winds blow. Golden lights on the harbor shine like the days when your hand was mine. Your laughter danced on the summer air, soft and warm, floating everywhere. We walked the shoreline slow and kind, leaving little footprints behind. truth and hope shining in our eyes. Your voice was soft like the evening tide, holding me close from deep inside. Radio humming that old school sound, warm bass shaking the dusty ground. Guitar cutting with a gentle tone, making two hearts feel at home. But seasons changed and time moved on. Days grew short and nights grew long. Even though life pulled us apart, your echo stays inside my heart. Each memory soft like faded gold, stories the night breeze still unfold. Even when shadows come my way, your warmth returns like yesterday. Rocksteady, heal my soul tonight. Wrap me in that golden light. Let the rhythm slow and sway, carry all my blues away. Every heartbeat sings your name, soft like a never-ending flame. Time may change the world around, but your love stays in the sound. Now when the world feels cold and white, I close my eyes, you're by my side. Sweet memories whisper soft and true, painting the sky in shades of you. I hear the footsteps of days long past, moments too precious to fade too fast. In every breeze, in every tone, your love still feels like home. So play that rhythm sweet and slow, let the whole night gently glow. For in this melody I find every piece you left behind. Rocksteady dreams and candlelight hold me warm through the night. And when the dawn begins to shine, your memory still feels divine. Sweet Rocksteady memory, play that old melody for me. Let the rhythm roll slow and free, take my heart back tenderly. Memory, stay with me. Rocksteady heart, soft and free. In these golden hours of love, I feel you near. Soft winds whisper truth into my ear. Rocksteady heart becoming clear. These golden hours forever. Evening sunlight falling slow, painting colors in a gentle glow. Your footsteps echo down the shore, a sound I've waited for once more. Upstroke guitar in the fading light, warm bass humming through the night. Every breeze tells a quiet tale of peaceful hearts that will not fail. You smile at me with tender grace, moonlight drifting across your face. And in this calm I realize love shines brightest in soft silence. goes down in this place. We sit beneath the silent sky, watching little fireflies. Your hand in mine, a steady beat, like warm sand underneath our feet. You talk about your hopes and dreams, your secret fears, your quiet schemes. I listen close, I hold them tight, promising I'll be your light. And when the world feels cold and wide, I'll be right here, here by your side, with rock steady rhythm guiding true. Every moment feels brand new, even when the seasons change, even when life's been strange. Our love remains a steady flame, burning slow. These golden hours of love, I feel you near. Soft winds whisper truth into my ear. Rock steady heart, become and clear. These golden hours, forever here. Ooh, golden hours, gentle powers, rock steady love, forever ours. Rock steady heartbeat, carry me slow, where the warm island winds still flow. Loving the rhythm everywhere I go. Rock steady heartbeat, gentle and low. I walk the shoreline in the fading light, watching memories drift into night. Soft waves humming like a lullaby, painting colors across the sky. The breeze wraps me in a peaceful tune, like a Sunday glow beneath the moon. Every footstep on the ocean sand feels like holding an angel's hand. The upstroke guitar in the distant bar, shining warm like an island star. And every chord that softly plays takes me back to brighter days. Rock steady heartbeat, carry me slow, where the warm island winds still flow. Loving the rhythm everywhere I go. Rock steady heartbeat, gentle and low. Mama used to swing the old front porch, singing songs with a gentle torch. Daddy tapping out the steady beat, barefoot dancing in the summer heat. Their voices blended like the sea and sky, teaching me love that never dies. The radio glowing with analog warm, keeping us sheltered through every storm. I still remember those peaceful nights, fireflies blinking their soft green lights, and in the breeze the guitar cried, lifting my spirit high and high. The melody slow, the tempo kind, a healing sound for a fragile mind. Rock steady flowing through my veins, washing away old hidden pains. Ooh, let the rhythm hold me tight, like the stars that kiss the night. Every heartbeat feels so true. Rock steady only calls my name. I rise again from every flame. I hear the elders singing still, voices climbing every hill. Their wisdom carried in every chord, their quiet courage my reward. And in this world of highs and lows, music the only truth that grows. Rock steady warmth in every breath, guiding me through fear and death. So when the day feels far too long, I find my healing in this song. A slow embrace, a tender guide, a lighthouse standing at my side. Rock steady heartbeat, carry me slow, where the warm island winds still flow. Love in the rhythm everywhere I go. Rock steady heartbeat, gentle and low. Carry me slow, gentle and low. Rock steady heartbeat, forever glow. In the island breeze, I write your name, soft and slow like a gentle flame. Rock steady love in a warm embrace. Your memory lives in every place. Morning sun rising over the bay, soft waves singing as they sway. I walk the shoreline with your thoughts in mind. Love like yours is hard to find. Offbeat guitar flowing like the tide, bassline warm as it moves inside. I hear your voice in the ocean side, like a lullaby beneath the sky. Hold me close in the breeze tonight. Guide my heart with your gentle light. Even when the world feels far apart, your rhythm still beats in my heart. In the island breeze, I write your name, soft and slow like a gentle flame. Rock steady love in a warm embrace. Your memory lives in every place. I remember nights when the moon was high. You held my hand beneath the sky. Laughter danced through the jasmine air. Every moment felt so rare. The radio played our favorite tune, rock steady rhythm beneath the moon. Your silhouette glowing in silver light. I knew our hearts were taking flight. You whispered dreams in a tender tone, told me I'd never walk alone. Even now those words remain, comfort warm in every pain. Let the island breeze unfold, stories of the love we hold. Let the rhythm guide me near to the memories still summer rain. Your laughter echoes softly across the quiet shore, telling me a story I've heard 1,000 times before. The cutting guitar whisper on the left and right, upstroke pattern shining through the fading light, bassline humming steady like a sleeping tide. Every little note pulls me closer to your side. Hold me close, don't let go. Let the rock steady rhythm slow. Feel the calm, feel the flow. Love is all we need to know. Soft breeze, rock steady love, drifting through the night. Carry my heart away, keep me in your light. Gentle rhythm holding me, everything feels right. Soft breeze, rock steady love, glowing warm and bright. I remember mornings under pale blue skies, the sunlight dancing softly in your eyes. We walked the old streets hand in hand, leaving tiny footprints in the island sand. The radio played those vintage tunes, rock steady melodies floating under the moon. You hummed along with a sweet slow sway, and I knew then you were here to stay. Even when life carried us far from home, your voice remained wherever I roam. Just like the bassline slow and deep, your presence guards my heart in sleep. Ooh, let the gentle rhythm guide, like the ocean's endless tide. Ooh, let the soft breeze heal your mind, leaving all the pain behind. Ooh, every memory, every sigh, shining like stars in the sky. Ooh, rock steady, calm, pure and true. Every beat brings me back to you. Now the moon climbs high above the bay, silver light turning night to gray. Your silhouette in the fading glow moves like a dream from long ago. I hear the cutting guitar ring again, just like it did back then. Warm melodies drift through the air, holding every whispered prayer. Rock steady love, simple and kind, a gentle blessing that's hard to find. No rush, no noise, no hurried pace, just your heartbeat and your grace. Soft breeze, rock steady love, drifting through the night. Carry my heart away, keep me in your light. Gentle rhythm holding me, everything feels right. Soft breeze, rock steady love, glowing warm and bright. Ooh, soft breeze tonight, hold me tight. Rock steady love, pure and bright. Island night, half moonlight, rock steady spirit, hold me tight. Whispers of the island night, calling soft and bright. Carry me gently through the fading light, with the reggae groove so warm and right. I drift away in the island night. The shoreline glows in the silver breeze, moonlight dancing on the quiet sea. I hear the heartbeat of the distant drums, echoing softly as the nighttime comes. The upstroke guitar moves sweet and slow, painting memories of long ago. The bass line hums like a lover's sigh, guiding my tear. Hold me close in the fading glow. Love in the rhythm, steady and slow. I hear the shoreline whispering low, guiding my footsteps wherever I go. Memories wrapped in a warm embrace, moments of sweetness time can't erase. The upstroke guitar paints the air, gentle and soft like a midnight prayer. Deep bass humming under my skin, calling the peace to rise again. Your laughter drifting in the quiet night, a melody glowing soft and bright. Even when the world feels cold, your love is a story forever told. The night turns to light, I still feel you near, soft like the breeze that dries every tear. Hold me close in the fading glow. Love in the rhythm, steady and slow. I walk the streets where we used to roam, finding your voice in every home. The lamppost flickering golden tone, lighting the way back to our own. Your gentle words still guide my mind, teaching me lessons soft and kind. Patience and courage woven in sound, keeping my heart on steady ground. The rhythm moves like a lullaby, wrapped in the colors of evening sky. I close my eyes and breathe you in, letting the tenderness begin. No matter how far the night goes on, your presence keeps me holding strong. In every beat, in every sigh, your love lifts me toward the sky. Let the reggae carry me, floating gentle like the sea. Let the night just slowly fade, leaving peace in all you made. Every heartbeat sings your name, soft and sweet, a glowing flame. Let the morning open wide, love still shining deep inside. I feel the dawn begin to rise, painting colors across the skies. Golden rays on the water's crest, telling my soul that I am blessed. Your kindness echoes through my days, a guiding star in countless ways. And though the night may come again, your melody eases every pain. I hold the moments when you were near, letting them quiet every fear. Rocksteady rhythm, slow and warm, shelters my heart from every storm. The world awakens soft and blue, reminding me of dreams we knew. I walk ahead, but not alone, your voice still with me, gentle. When night turns to light, I still feel you near, soft like the breeze that dries every tear. Hold me close in the fading glow. Love in the rhythm, steady and slow. Steady and slow. footsteps in the center night, moving softly in the fading light. The ocean hums a mellow tune, guided by the silver moon. Your smile warms the cool night air, a tender love beyond compare. I breathe you in with every sigh, like a quiet wind passing by. And in this calm I feel it true, my rock steady heart belongs to you. You. You're the breeze in my rock steady night, floating soft in the pale moonlight. Hold me close and keep me right, with your warm love shining bright. You take my hand with a gentle grace, love written clear upon your face. I feel the rhythm of your touch, a steady heartbeat saying much. We walk the shoreline slow and free, your laughter like a melody. The upstroke guitar in the quiet air reminds me how much you care. And oh, the peace you bring to me, like waves that kiss the endless sea. In every breath and every tone, you make my weary heart a home. Life may turn with rising tide, but I'll stay always by your side. For in this love I find my way through every night and every day. moving together where the cool winds blow. The old street lights begin to glow. The rhythm's soft, a gentle flow, and every heartbeat matches the groove. Every step we take is a perfect move. Washing warm over every part of me. The world was quiet, soft and kind. Peace and comfort in your mind. Every moment felt brand new, wrapped in the warmth of loving you. Storms appear, your voice is a calm that I hold dear. Rock steady beats beneath our feet, turning every sorrow into something sweet. And when the night feels far too long, your love becomes my healing song. You lift me up and pull me through. There's nothing I can't face with you. Tomorrow come at any speed, as long as your love is all I need. In the rock steady breeze I feel you near, soft like a whisper only my heart can hear. Hold me close in this moment true, nothing feels sweeter than dancing with you. Rock steady breeze, stay with me please. Love so mellow, soft and free. Sweet rock steady memory, play that old melody for me. Let the rhythm roll slow and free. Take my heart back tenderly. I hear the night breeze whisper low through the streets where the cool winds blow. Golden lights on the harbor shine like the days when your hand was mine. Your laughter danced on the summer air, soft and warm, floating everywhere. We walked the shoreline slow and kind, leaving little footprints behind. under moonlit skies, truth and hope shining in our eyes. Your voice was soft like the evening tide, holding me close from deep inside. Radio humming that old school sound, warm bass shaking the dusty ground. Guitar cutting with a gentle tone, making two hearts feel at home. But seasons changed and time moved on. Days grew short and nights grew long. Even though life pulled us apart, your echo stays inside my heart. Each memory soft like faded gold, stories the night breeze still unfold. Even when shadows come my way, your warmth returns like yesterday. Rocksteady, heal my soul tonight. Wrap me in that golden light. Let the rhythm slow and sway, carry all my blues away. Every heartbeat sings your name, soft like a never-ending flame. Time may change the world around, but your love stays in the sound. Now when the world feels cold and white, I close my eyes, you're by my side. Sweet memories whisper soft and true, painting the sky in shades of you. I hear the footsteps of days long past, moments too precious to fade too fast. In every breeze, in every tone, your love still feels